Hey guys, today we're introducing the bluechem Fuel System Cleaner. Bluechem Fuel System Cleaner has been around for many years and it has well received by the market. The driving experience after using the product is extremely good. There are 7 benefits of using the bluechem Fuel System Cleaner. As I have summarized, first, it can remove the deposits from the fuel system. Secondly, it also prevent the deposits from forming. And third, it lubricates the entire fuel system and it prevents corrosion of the entire system as well. And 5, it actually removes water and moisture from the system. And 6, improves the emission of the car. And 7, it increases the run number of the petrol. We highly recommend that you try our product out. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to us. If you have any questions, leave us a comment. Thank you for your time. Peace out.